morning. I just woke up, so I'm so sorry for a really like a plain bad look. I'm going to show you around like how's today, a day in my life. I am not sure if this is gonna be interesting, but maybe some people want to know. Some people might find this interesting. So here you go. So I'm going to show you guys my plant. Here it is. This is my plant. It's a lot of leaves, yeah. And I haven't watered it honestly. I'm going to take some water and water it right now. Woo. So right now I am cooking. I'm trying to like wait until them to expand, and then after that I'm going to fry it. This is like a recipe that I just got from my sister, so I'm like trying it out. Macaroni is ready. It's very hot. Guys, the macaroni that I was frying, it came out terribly failed, and it's not even crunchy. I don't know. I guess my sister's recipe is wrong. Sorry. I'm doing my laundry and I'm going to put them to the drying rack. So the simple errands are done, and I did I tell you guys that I haven't showered, so I'm gonna take a shower now. Okay, so I have done my shower. I have freshened up. I look as horrible now. But I'm going to show you guys something interesting. So usually I upload or film on Saturday and Sunday. So I'm gonna show you guys like behind the scenes of how I do my filming. So we're gonna enter the filming room. Actually, there's no such thing as filming room. It's just that this room used to be occupied and now the person had left, so the room is empty, and I kind of use it just to film my YouTube video. So anyway, the setup is very simple. I can show you guys how's the setup. What you guys see over there, that's the setup. So yeah, it's literally just this chair and then this tripod, mini tripod, super cheap tripod that I just bought like a dollar store or something, except in Malaysia they don't call it dollar store, of course. But then again, yeah, it's like you get the idea. It's very cheap. It's a really small tripod, like, and so I would usually just sit here and then my phone will be here. So I don't have like camera or something. I kind of just use my phone, latch it on here, and that's it. So now that you guys have seen my setup, that's pretty much it. That's so simple, and the result is like pretty okay. Like, it's not like a professional video like they produce in like production studio or something. No, it's nothing like that. Like, I don't have any like artificial lighting. I only have the sunlight for me. That is why I usually would film at daytime, and then I would sit near the window. So if you guys are wondering like what kind of tools or device that I use to record my videos, I just use my phone, and that is it. Even right now I'm just using my phone. I don't have a camera, so I just use my phone, and my phone is iPhone 11, and this is like the regular iPhone 11, not the Pro one. So far I feel like the result has been like okay, like with the iPhone 11. I don't know if I'm gonna buy camera soon. iPhone 11 for the recording, it's pretty fine. For photo, it's also great. So to me, it's also like my phone, so I can, you know, like do a lot of things with it, you know. So if you guys are wanted to like start YouTube but don't have that much of a budget, maybe you can start with this kind of simple setup first. And anyway, this is my face without makeup. If you guys are wondering, if any of you guys are like wondering, how do I look like without makeup? Well, then this is how I look like. I look less horrible than just now. And I have several acne My nose is bleeding. Sorry guys. So I have several acne. New acne scars around my mouth, because recently I do get acne around my mouth, and now I get a lot on my nose. So I am not so sure what's the problem. Anyway guys, so the activity for today is that I am going to film my YouTube video first. So as I mentioned, Saturday and Sunday is the schedule for my filming, and usually I edit and upload on the same day. So that's kind of how it's done for me. And then after I film my YouTube video, I'm going to get dressed and go out. Today I'm gonna take you guys out again. So last time we go to Sunlight Pyramid. If you guys haven't seen the video, well, I'm gonna link it in the description box below. But today we are going to a park. This is called the KLCC Park. So usually people know it as the Twin Tower. This is kind of like a tourist landmark. I am no longer a tourist, but I thought it would be interesting to let you guys see it, because you know, with a lot of this like lockdown, I think a lot of people lost the opportunity to go out and travel. So maybe you guys, like if you guys from other country that wanted to see how's Malaysia's landmark look like, then maybe I'm just gonna bring you guys there today. So yeah, let's do this. So guys, I am currently filming for my another video, like a separate video, and I thought it would be interesting to show you guys how I do my makeup before I film. So let's just get started. I have all my makeups actually right over here. My makeup is super duper simple. I have everything so simple. And so first off, we're gonna start with concealer. So here's my concealer. So I'm just gonna dab some over here, not too much. Okay, and then the next step is the blush. So I just put a little bit on my cheek. And then the last one is of course the lipstick. Alright, so that's kind of it. That's how I do my makeup for my video. So this is how I look like going out. This is KLCC Park. Ta-da! So that's the Twin Tower. Guys, I just found out that my iPhone has 60 frames per second option. And so I'm like turning it on right now. So yeah, this is how it is. That is SURIA KLCC, so that's like the mall. Why do I wear white sneakers when I know I'm gonna go here? So yeah, this is the park. Sometimes I see people jogging. Some people come here to have a picnic. Some people come here to take photos. the scenery is like pretty. So there's like a pond I guess. I don't know like how to call it, but I guess that's a pond. There's a like statue of a whale. Let me go closer. Guys, my white shoes got some mud on it. So yeah, that's a whale statue. Is that a whale or is that a dolphin? I think there's two. There's a whale and then there's a dolphin. It's sunny here, so yeah, everything looks pretty. I like how clean this place is. Then there's the water fountain. So this is where you can take water for drinking. So yeah, filter drinking water. And there's a water fountain, but I don't think you can actually take the drinking water from this fountain. I think you can only take from here. It's a nice view. Red one here. So I just know that these red tracks are actually the track for people who wanted to do jogging, because right over there is also like the finish line. So it's like, yeah, if you want to go jogging, you can come here and jog. It's very sunny, it's very hot right now. I wish I brought my hat. Also, there's also like a lot of like bench in here. So it's like just saying, if you wanted to have a date, maybe you can come here. I don't think the children park is open. Yeah, it's not open. I mean, if it's open, usually there'll be like a lot of children playing, but it looks so good. It looks like a lot of fun. But yeah, unfortunately we can't come in there. We're gonna go under the bridge. Hi guys, so I'm just taking a rest right now. So yeah, as you guys can see the background, there's some people. It's not too crowded, but it is very sunny and it's very hot. Okay, you know what? Like the park is pretty much like that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna go back to the indoor, which is the mall. So right beside the park, there's also like a lot of cafe and bars. So if you're the type of person who likes to go to bars or cafe, then I guess this is a nice place for you. The bars look pretty though, like they have nice interior. I'm going to the other area, which is called Pavillion, and yeah, this is the bridge you're going there. It's a pretty long walk. This place in Pavillion called the Tokyo Street, so that's how it looks like. So I think Tokyo Street is like a place where they have a lot of like Japanese stores. I'm not exactly sure, I haven't been here in a long time, so yeah, this is how it looks like, of course. So this is like a tree to follow your wishes here. So you can get the paper from level 6 Tokyo Street and you can like hang it here. So it depends on like what kind of luck you want. Is it health, or is it like success in studies, or love and marriage? So you can pick and get your own paper and hang it here for good luck. Hi guys, so I just got back home and it's a pretty tiring day. Now it is, I think it's about 5 to 6 p.m. So yeah, it's pretty tiring. I haven't got to shower. So oh, by the way, I actually bought a rose, so I'm gonna show you guys now. So yeah, this is the rose. I actually bought it just now while I was walking around in front of Pavillion. So I put it in a bottle filled with water. I don't actually know how to take care of a rose, so I hope this is fine. So anyway guys, today is a pretty tiring day, and I'm going to go ahead and edit this video and then upload it. Sorry, there's like thunderstorm right now. I'm so sorry. So anyway, I'm going to edit this video and then upload it right away. So yeah, this is pretty much like the end of my day to be exact. Thank you guys so much for following me today. Thank you guys so much also for watching. If you like this kind of video, make sure to leave a comment down below, so the next time maybe I will make another video like this. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.